Every woman will reach menopause sooner or later in their lives as they age. During this time, they can experience hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, tiredness, irritability. One or more of the symptoms can be observed cited before can be observed in women. With aging and menopause, also come higher risks of diseases such as obesity, heart disease, diabetes, etc. In this channel, we believe food is medicine. Therefore, natural foods also serve as natural remedy to help reduce the symptoms of menopause. Here are some proven natural remedies for you. 1. Try maintaining a normal weight. Having and keeping a healthy weight can help you not only alleviate the symptoms of menopause but also prevent some diseases. A trial on postmenopausal on U.S. women age 50 to 79 has showed that weight loss may have helped reduce hot flashes and night sweat among postmenopausal women. 2. Practice regular exercise for at least 30 minutes per day. We all know all the benefits of regular exercise routine in our lives. Exercising during menopause help improve your metabolism, which play a big role on our immune system, bones and joints, stress and sleep. Overall, a better health is a protection against various diseases and conditions like cancer, heart diseases, stroke, high blood pressure, etc. 3. Eating food high in phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogen in plant-based foods are thought to be helping with hormonal imbalances. Foods like tofu, flax seeds, beans, soybeans are known to be high in phytoestrogens. They are rich in protein, which helps prevent the loss of lean muscles mass while you are aging. 4. Last but not least, do not skip meals during menopause and drink a lot of water. Irregular eating can create more harm than good through menopause. Small meals are advised throughout the day. Water is source of life, they say. Drinking a lot should be part of our daily routines as it naturally increases the metabolism, help us keep full, which is a great thing for weight loss. Overall, water helps us stay away from dryness of any kind. These are only tips that can help manage menopause. It is not a replacement for medication ordered by the doctor. Please, consult your doctor before trying any drastic lifestyle changes, especially as you age. That's it for today. We hope you learned valuable information with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to be notified every time we post a new video. See you next time.